Hello. I am so sorry I have neglected you, but I apologize. It's the Rona. So we're in the garden and there's a lot of stuff growing. I'm super excited. The chickens are getting really big. So we're going to give you a garden tour, May 2020. And so the kids have been painting. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? Yes, it is. So here we go. Look at that. That's the Swiss chard and the beets. I think I'm gonna harvest that. Swiss chard and beets. I threw some broccoli in. Broccoli. I did plant some beans. They sprouted, but they didn't do too good. So I pulled them out and I fed them to my chickens. They were there, so I need to get some stuff in here. We had a pumpkin there, a pumpkin there. The squash bugs came in and humped all over it and killed them. I found that when they looked really distressed and there was just a bunch of squash bugs, you know, having their way about it on them. So they didn't make it, they died. And then we've got a pepper plant there, a pepper plant there, and the cauliflower has gone to flower. And I'm gonna let it do its thing so I can collect some seeds and plant more cauliflower. We've got another pepper plant. Looks like it's doing really good, actually. Potato keeps coming up. Cauliflower, and then we still have a few more bok choy. One back there is going to flower. And then this is some more bok choy. I harvested a bunch of them. It's on my Instagram if you want to follow me at Sunsilla. But I'm gonna have to plant some more stuff in there because I've got this room. I've got a few more bok choy that I could harvest. And this is the bed. This is my messy bed, but I don't care. This stuff is doing really good. This bed is full of worms and grubs also, because the bottom, there's no bottom in here. So it's like a network. They all talk to each other. Okay, let's see. So we're gonna give them some mulberries that the birds got to. Ready?
Oh my God. It looks hard for them to chew it.
Oh, they're tearing them up. Oh, they like them.
There's one over here, two over here, guys.
Well, looks like they like mulberries.